Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 yellow triangle warning on drive D. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type manage-BDE space, D colon space, -off. The operation cannot be performed because the volume is locked. Type manage-BDE space, -unlock space, D colon space, -password. Type password. Type manage-BDE space, D colon space, -off. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.